Welcome to the Ukrainian Jira kitchen. Today we're making the perfect project like cooking the best borscht with timing insights you can plan and report on. Step 1. Chop the backlog. Be strong like when you cut onions. Smaller pieces equal clearer plans and easier progress tracking. Now put your tasks into the in progress. Don't leave them in too long in progress status. Burn tasks taste terrible. Trust me. Now for the magic touch. It's time for time and status reports. Blocked task. Add more beets. Use root vegetables and find the root causes. No time and status in your Jira? That's like borscht with no sour cream. You can eat it, but it's just not right. And there it is, the perfect Jira borscht, spiced with insights from time and status. Track progress, report outcomes, plan with confidence.